Hello everyone! Good morning! Welcome to Boost Up Level 3 class. I'm Ms. Choi and we are actually going to start with taking a roll call, okay? So let's see. I'm going to call your names and when you hear your name, please say here and raise your hand, okay? All right. Area. Chloe. Okay, now today we are going to talk about seasons and weather, okay? So let's look out the window here. Oh, how's the weather? Is it windy? Oh, it's a little bit chilly, huh? Oh, yes, it's fall. Do you like fall? I like fall too, yes. All right, so as you know, we are going to talk about seasons and weather, but before that, we are going to sing a fun song together. It's called Boost Up theme song, okay? So let's listen and sing along together, all right?
Bam! Everybody get ready now! Get a boost up! Boost up! It's time for...
All right, so now we are going to review what we've learned last time. Do you remember what we've learned last time? Yeah, so let's do it. All right, so let's look at the pictures here. We have, do you remember these characters? Sam and Blop. And we call it we, right? Because there are two people here. Well, not people, but characters here, right? So we can say we, yes. And from Blop's perspective, Sam and Cube are you. Yes, that's right, you. And this is a she. Very good, she. And it's a boy, right? So it's a he, right. And them together, we call it they. Okay, so let's listen and repeat, okay?
Personal pronouns.
We. You. She. He. They.
All right, now we are going to read the word and choose which picture it represents, okay? So, what word is it? They, very good. Repeat after me, they. Very good. Now let's look at the pictures here. We have 3 pictures. Remember these pictures? Which one represents they? Oh, probably not one person, right? So it's either this one or the last one. And yes, that's right. It's the second one. Very good. Very good. All right. Now, we are going to look at the conversation in the book, okay? So, let's look at each picture in the book, okay? So let's look at the picture here. Who are they? Yes, they are May and Ella. Very good, very good. Who is looking out the window? Someone is looking out the window. Yes, Ella is looking out the window. Now, look out the window. What is flying in the sky? A butterfly. That's right, a butterfly is flying in the sky. Right. And where are they? Where do you think they are? Oh, someone said it? Yes, they are in the classroom, just like we are in the classroom. Perfect. All right, so now we are going to actually listen and say together, but we are going to look at the cartoon here, right? We just looked at the pictures, and now we are going to actually hear what they say, okay? So as you listen very carefully, okay? And see what they are talking about. What kind of season are they talking about? All right, so let's listen.
It is a beautiful spring day. Ella and May are in the classroom. Ella is asking May to go out and play together.
Wow, it's spring! Do you like spring? Yes, I do. I love spring. Me too. Let's go out and play. Great idea!
All right, so, now you've listened, right? So what season did they talk about? What season is it right now in the cartoon? Yes, spring. Do you like spring? Me too. Yes, lots of flowers. Yeah. Okay, so now we are actually going to listen again, but this time we are going to repeat after. Okay, so you ready?
It is a beautiful spring day.
Okay, listen first.
Ella and May are in the classroom. Ella is asking May to go out and play together.
Okay, get ready.
Wow, it's spring!
Wow, it's spring. Yes. One more time.
Do you like spring?
Do you like spring? Very good. All right. Now we are going to watch the video, okay? So it's the same cartoon, okay? But we are going to watch the video for it. But this time, what you're gonna do is, as you watch the video, count how many times you hear the word spring, okay? You know what to do? Yes, so count how many times you hear the word spring, okay? Ready, set, go.
It is a beautiful spring day. Ella and May are in the classroom. Ella is asking May to go out and play together.
Wow, it's spring! Do you like spring? Yes, I do. I love spring. Me too. Let's go out and play. Great idea!
All right, so how many times did you hear the word spring? That's right, including the introduction here. You've heard it 4 times. Yes, yes. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we are going to watch the video. Listen very carefully. We are going to repeat after it, okay? You ready? Okay, listen to the introduction
It is a
part.
beautiful spring day. Ella and May are in the classroom. Ella is asking May to go out and play together.
All right, get ready.
Wow, it's spring!
Wow, it's spring. Very good.
Do you like spring?
Do you like spring? So now we are going to do a role play, okay? So we're going to practice the dialogue together. So let's see. I'm gonna divide you up into two groups, okay? So right now I'm gonna divide you into half here. One on my left side here, you're gonna be A. One on my right side here, you're gonna be B, okay? So all the A's, raise your hands. Good. All the B's, raise your hands. Good. All right. So all the A's, you are going to be May, okay? May. And all the B's, you're going to be Ella. All right? So all the Mays, raise your hands. Good. And you are? Yes, Ella. Very good. So let's practice together. Okay, so we start with whom? Ella. Very good, Ella. Yes. So let's start. All right. So now we are going to, Yes, do another role play, but this time you're not going to be in groups of 2, but you're going to be in pairs now, okay? So let's put you 2 together, 2 together, 2 and 2. All right. So one of you is going to be Ella and one of you is going to be May, okay? So Ella and May. So one on my left side here, you're going to be Ella and you're May, okay? All right. So let's practice right now and let's do it. All right, so now it's time for us to do another role play, but this time I'm going to use paper puppets. Yes, we have paper puppets ready here, okay? So let's use this. I have these for you, okay? So I'm gonna have the paper puppets face down so you don't see who it is, okay? So let's see. You're already in pairs, so put the paper puppets face down. And what I want you to do is choose a puppet, okay? Right now, choose a puppet, yes. Everybody chose one, yeah? Good. So now what I want you to do is take time right now to practice a little bit, okay? Practice a little bit. And I'm gonna call on each pair and you're gonna come up and show us, okay? You act it out and say the dialogue, okay? So you ready? I'm gonna give you some time right now to practice, okay? Ready, set, go. Okay, now we are going to do a role play, yes. And now I'm going to divide you into 2 groups, okay? So I'm gonna divide you into half right here. And one on my left, you're gonna be A. And one on my right, you're gonna be B, okay? So all the A's, raise your hands. Good. All the B's, raise your hands. Good. All right. All the A's, you're going to be May, okay? And all the B's, you're gonna be Ella, okay? So I'm gonna have you practice right now, okay? So who do we start with? Look at the screen here, yeah? Yes, Ella. We start with Ella, okay? So you ready? Let's do it. Ready, set, go. All right, so now we are going to switch roles, okay? We're going to switch roles. So all the A's, raise your hands. Okay, you were May, but now you're going to be Ella, okay? And all the B's here, you're going to be May. Very good, very good. So shall we practice? Okay, now we are going to do another role play here, but this time we are going to do it in pairs, okay? So you 2 together, 2, 2, and 2 together. Very good. So now let's practice, okay? So choose who you want to be because we're gonna switch roles anyway. So choose one. All right, and then I'm gonna switch and do the same, okay? You ready? Set, go. All right, so now it's time for us to do another role play, but with paper puppets. Yes, so on your desks there, I have paper puppets ready for you. So I want you to put them face down, okay? Put them face down, yes. So you're already in pairs, so let's get into the same pairs, okay? So what I want you to do is choose a puppet, okay? Choose a puppet and let's practice, okay? I'm gonna give you some time to practice. And I'm gonna call on you to come up and show us, act out. So you say and hold up your paper puppets and act out the dialogue. You ready? So I'm gonna give you some time right now to practice. Okay, ready, set, go. All right, so now we are going to sing a song together, okay? But let's look at the lyrics first, okay? Let's look at the first line. Wow, it's spring. Yes, wow, it's spring. Repeat after me, yes. Do you like spring? Yes, I do. I love spring. Me too. Me too. Very good. Now we are going to listen to the song and follow along, okay?
Song.
Sha la 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 bum bum pop. Sha la 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 bum bum pop. Sha la 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 la. Wow, it's spring. Do you like spring? Yes, I do. I love spring. Me too, me too.
Okay. So now we've sang the song together. Let's see. I'm going to ask you a question. You listen to the song, but do you remember the voice? Who said, "Wow, it's spring"? Many guesses here. Well, right now we are going to watch a video, okay? And it's the same song, okay? So as you watch, you can check who said, "Wow, it's spring," okay?
Sha la 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 bum bum pop. Sha la 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 la
You sing along.
bum bum. Sha la 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 la. Wow, it's spring. Do you like spring? Yes, I do. I love spring. Me too, me too.
All right. So, who said, "Wow, it's spring"? Ella, yes. Very good. So now we are going to watch it again, but this time, yes, sing along, yes. But this time, sing along and count how many times you hear the words. Let's see, great idea, okay? Great idea. You ready? Yes.
Sha la 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 bum bum pop.
Okay, now here's the top tip, okay? So, how many times did you hear the words great idea? Yes. Oh, is it 4 times? No, 5 times. Yes, 5 times. Very good. So, now look at this top tip here, okay? It says great idea equals what? Sounds great. Sounds great. So, they're the same thing, okay? They're the same thing. So you can say, when you hear a great idea, you can say, "Oh, great idea." Or you can say, "Sounds great." Okay, so let's say it out loud a few times, all right? Great idea. Great idea. Sounds great. Sounds great. Very good. All right, so I'm gonna say, let's go out and play. And you can tell me great idea or sounds great, all right? Let's practice. Let's go out and play. Yeah, very good. Okay, so now we are going to learn about some new words here. Now we are going to learn some new words here, okay? So let's look at the screen here. First picture, yes. What season is it? Spring, spring, very good. What about the second one? Bright and sunny. It's summer, very hot, right? What about the third picture here? Look, the color of the leaves changed, right? It's fall, that's right. And the last one, we see a snowman. Yes, it's winter now. All right, so do you like spring? Do you love spring? Okay, I hope you do, because we're gonna practice, okay? So let's listen and repeat.
Number 1.
Spring. I love spring.
Number 2.
Summer. I love summer.
Okay, now we are going to look at the picture and practice the sentence here, okay? So let's look at the picture. What season is it? We see lots of flowers. Yes, it's spring. Yes, spring. Okay, so repeat after me. Spring. Very good. I love spring. Very good. All right, so now we are going to play a fun game related to the words here, okay? It's called season activity, okay? So now I'm going to divide you into two teams right now, okay? So divide you into half right here, okay? Your team A and your team B, okay? I'm going to whisper a season, okay, to one team. And you cannot say the season to the other team, all right? Okay. And the team that heard what I said has to say some words or sentences related to the season. Okay, so for example, I whispered summer. I whispered summer, okay? And the team here, every student here has to say a word or a sentence related to the season. So you can say beaches or watermelons, right? Air conditioners. And the other team has to listen carefully and guess the season. So you say, I know, summer, right? Summer, yes. But you can't get a point at that point, okay? You have to say a sentence too, okay? So you say summer and a sentence with the word summer. So, for example, I love summer, okay? And then you get a point. And then we're gonna take turns, all right? So, let's get it started. Okay, you ready? Set, go. Okay, now it's time for us to do a role play, okay? Let's look at the words in the box here. We have seasons here. So, we have spring, summer, read along, fall, winter, very good. So you can choose a word from this box, okay? And the last line here is all blank, okay? So you can choose one from this blue box here. So it's great idea, yes, can you say it along? Great idea, or sounds great. Very good. So I'll show you an example. Okay. So let's say I chose the word summer here. Then I can write, wow, it's summer. So I write summer in the blank. Do you like summer? Okay, and yes, I do. I love summer. And then she says, me too. Let's go out and play. And yes, I choose sounds great. Okay, sounds great. And that's the end, okay? So let's have you choose whatever you want, okay? And you can write it in the blank here, okay? You ready? Set, go. All right, so now what I want you to do is I'm going to pair you up, okay? So you two together, two, okay? All right. So now what I want you to do is practice. Practice using your own choice here, okay? And I want you to come up and say the dialogue here, okay? You ready? Set, go. All right, so now it's time for us to do workbook. So get out your workbooks now and turn to page 4, okay? Now here we are going to, listen and number. As you can see, yes, it's the same cartoon, but look, the order is different, right? So you gotta listen very carefully and number them in order, okay? All right, so you ready?
Wow, it's spring! Do you like spring? Yes, I do.
All right, so let's check the answers together. What's the first one? Yes, it's the second picture here, okay. And? Right. And the third one? Yes, and last one is of course? Yes. So, you can see, good job. Okay, so we can do another one. All right, so we come to an end to this lesson here. So Do you remember what we've learned today? We learned about seasons, right? Do you like spring? You like spring, huh? Do you love winter? Oh, why? Because it's cold. Yes, I agree. All right, so great job, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye.